Hey friends, if you wish to get rid of Microsoft Edge pop-up tips and notifications in Windows, then please watch this video. Now I say this from my personal experience, but it is not usual for you to get notifications from Microsoft Edge. The reason you get notifications is because certain websites are pushing software into Microsoft Edge, which makes this happen. So here's what you have to do. Open Microsoft Edge. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then you can scroll down and select settings. Now search for notifications here. Okay, and then go to search and connected experiences. Okay, then turn the switch off. But is this sufficient? The one which says get notifications of related things that you can explore with Discover. No, this is not sufficient. So the other thing that you have to do is click on these three dots once again and select extensions and go to manage extensions. Now if you find any troublesome extension here which is pushing notification, just remove it. Actually, it's not just about troublesome uh, extensions. Basically a lot of genuine products also send such notifications. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.